XAI just launched a coding tool that's already going head-to-head with Claude, and in some tests it's actually winning. It's called Grok Build, and the wild part is you don't even need a separate subscription to use it. If you've already got Twitter Premium, you've already got access. People who tested this against the older version are saying it's a completely different tool. I'm going to break down exactly what it is and what it can actually do. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business, and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So here's what actually happened. XAI announced the early beta launch of Grok Build, a new coding agent and command line tool built for serious software engineering and complex coding work. It's available right now to anyone with a Super Grok subscription or X Premium Plus. That's the part people are sleeping on. You're not paying for a separate AI coding tool. If you've already got Twitter Premium, this is already sitting inside your subscription. Elon Musk posted asking for feedback on it after launch, which usually means XAI is paying close attention and pushing updates fast based on what people find. Grok Build works as a command line tool, meaning you talk to it through text the same way you talk to Claude or any other coding assistant. You don't need to already know how to code to use it. You give it a sentence describing what you want built, and it goes and builds it. What makes it different from a normal coding assistant is how it handles bigger tasks. For anything large, Grok Build splits the work up and sends pieces of it to specialized subagents that all work in parallel at the same time, instead of doing everything one step at a time. So instead of waiting on one single process, you've effectively got a small team of agents working on different parts of your project simultaneously. People testing this have described giving it one sentence and coming back later to find a whole batch of subagents had already built out multiple pieces of the project together. On top of that, it runs a self-checking loop. It plans the task, the subagents build it, then it checks its own work, ships it, and uses what it learned from that check to improve the next pass. The idea is that the more you use it, the more it should improve over time. Now, here's the part that's genuinely surprising. People who've tested Grok Build against Claude on identical prompts, building the same game or the same website from the exact same instructions, are reporting that in some specific tests, Grok Build actually came out ahead. That's notable because Claude has been the consistent favorite in side-by-side coding comparisons for a long time. This doesn't mean Grok Build wins every test, far from it, but it's the first time a lot of testers are seeing it genuinely compete, instead of clearly losing. That said, it's not consistent across every type of project. Some builds people tested came out clean, smooth, and genuinely impressive. Others came out dark, confusing, or felt disconnected from what was actually asked for. So the honest read here is that Grok Build is clearly a major step up from the older version, but it's still inconsistent depending on what you're asking it to build. Here's the detail that actually makes this useful beyond just being a fun new toy to test. Because Grok Build runs through a command line interface, it can sit alongside whatever other AI tools you're already using for coding. You're not locked into picking one model and sticking with it forever. You can have Grok Build running next to Claude or Gemini or whatever else is part of your setup and just switch between them, depending on which one performs best for a given task. And since it's built into your existing Twitter subscription rather than a separate paid API, there's no extra cost involved to start testing it. That's a pretty low barrier for something that's already competing with tools that normally cost extra to access. If you build websites, apps, games, or any kind of digital product, this is worth testing this week, not because it's guaranteed to replace whatever you're currently using, but because it's free if you already have the subscription, and the only way to know if it fits your workflow is to run your own prompts through it and compare the results yourself. You don't need to already be technical to use it. You talk to it in plain language and it does the building. And if you're someone who's been waiting for these coding tools to settle down before trying any of them, I'll be straight with you. They're not going to settle down. New versions are going to keep dropping every few weeks for the foreseeable future. The people getting ahead right now are the ones testing each new release as it lands, not the ones waiting for some final stable version that's never actually going to come. So that's Grok Build. A coding agent that's now live inside your existing Twitter subscription, capable of running multiple sub-agents in parallel, checking its own work, and in some tests, actually competing with tools that have dominated this space for a while. It's not perfect yet. Some builds are genuinely rough, but the jump from the previous version is real. And if you've already got the subscription, there's zero reason not to go test it yourself today. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.